In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, change, or remove a page cover in Notion. Whether you're customizing your workspace to make it more inviting or simply to find a way that inspires productivity, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to the Notion homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to select the workspace where you wish to add or remove a page cover. This could be your personal dashboard, a project you're working on, or any specific page where you'd like to see a bit of customization. Choosing the right workspace is essential as it sets the tone for your personalization. Now, once you've settled on the workspace, it's time to add a cover. To do this, simply locate and click the Add Cover button. This is your starting point for decorating the page. Adding a cover can dramatically change the appearance of your workspace, providing a welcoming splash of color or theme right at the top of your page. But perhaps you've already got a cover and you're in the mood for something fresh. To change the existing cover, you'll want to click on Change Cover. Notion provides you with a multitude of options to choose from, making it easy to update the look to match your current preferences or the vibe of your workspace. A new cover can bring in a breath of fresh air, so take a moment to explore your options and see what speaks to you. Once you've clicked Change Cover, you're ready to select your preferred background. Notion offers a variety of stunning images ranging from minimalistic to vibrant. You can select one of these pre-made covers, or, if you're feeling creative, upload your own image to lend a personal touch. Customizing your page with an image that resonates with you can boost your motivation and keep you inspired as you work. However, if at any point you decide that no cover is the best cover, Notion makes it simple to remove it. Just click the Remove button located at the right corner of your cover options. This will revert the page to a clean, coverless state, which can sometimes be just as effective, offering a distraction-free workspace that's neat and focused. Each of these steps is easy to navigate, allowing you to tailor your Notion pages to reflect your style and optimize your work environment. With just a few clicks, you can transform the look and feel of your Notion workspace, making it a place where you feel comfortable and productive. I hope you find these instructions helpful as you continue to personalize your Notion experience. Happy customizing!